Ever wondered what it's like to live among the rulers of the savannah? Today, we strap a camera onto a lioness, stepping directly into her world. From her eyes, we witness golden sunsets, the warmth of her pride, and playful cubs waiting in the tall grass. But peace never lasts long. Instinct awakens. She lowers herself into a silent stalk. Adrenaline surges. Witness the explosive power of a lioness in full pursuit. The earth trembles, dust flies, as nature's ultimate predator unleashes her fury. The raw, unfiltered reality of survival. Our lioness returns to her precious cubs, revealing heartwarming family bonds deep within their hidden den. A tender reunion with another lioness, filled with comforting licks and shared moments of peace. The savannah is a harsh world, but love and connection thrive. Nature's drama unfolds. Watch as the lioness shelters her cubs from an approaching storm, lightning illuminating the vast, wild landscape. A mother's protective instinct is undeniable. A tense confrontation with a mighty buffalo. Witness the coordination and bravery of the pride as they face off against a formidable opponent. Observe the wisdom of the wild as the lions give way to a herd of elephants, respecting their immense power, especially with their young. As night falls, the full moon casts an ethereal glow over the savannah. Follow our lioness on a solitary journey to a shimmering watering hole. Under the moonlight, she drinks, the peaceful scene occasionally broken by the presence of unseen giants beneath the water's surface. The magnificent male lion approaches, his presence both powerful and loving, sharing a moment of intimacy with his partner. Together, they survey their kingdom as the sun rises, a symbol of strength and dominance in their natural habitat. From a rocky outcrop, the pride watches the world awaken. This breathtaking panorama shows the vastness of their domain. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe, because this is just one point of view.